In this lecture, I will explain you about how to auto-update column number in VLOOKUP formula. In VLOOKUP formula, column index defines the column number of the table from which the data is to be retrieved in results. When we have to put VLOOKUP formula for many columns like this, we can use dollar symbol and fix the table cell reference and drag the formula to other columns. Let us see how we can do that. VLOOKUP employee number and the table, and we can press F4 and lock this table. Column index is 2, exact match. This formula we can drag to other columns, but in that case the column index number will not be changed automatically and the same results will appear in all cells. You will have to manually change the column index for each of these formulas. However, to avoid this manual correction in the formula, we can automate this column index number with the help of column function. Basically, the column function returns the column number of reference cell. Column, if we select this column, it will show 8, that is the column number of H is 8. To auto update the column number in this VLOOKUP formula, instead of this column index we can put column, the column number of second column, that is B, and close. I will delete this existing formula and drag this to other columns. You can see this formula will auto update the column number in each of these cells and you don't have to update this manually. In case if you are not selecting this column number for the respective column number of column index, you can select any other column like this. Like this, but you will have to deduct the number of columns from here to here, that is -6, and then you can drag this formula. It will give the same result.